Hey, and welcome to another episode of Geeks Corner. This episode is brought to you by our sponsors, Outlets Be Gone. So today's the day after the announcements from Google I/O, and we saw Google unveil a couple of new products. They did some changes as well with the product categories. So, for example, the Google Home Hub now is going to be branded under Nest instead. And shortly after that, we've also seen that they're going to be cancelling the Works with Nest, and that's coming up towards the August time frame. So if you use If This Then That website or their tools, then that will no longer work. They are going to be doing a more stripped down privacy focused version, but that's only going to have certain partners involved in that one, so it's not going to be as good, unfortunately. So if you do use that, you may want to start looking around. I know If This Then That was one of the most user-friendly ones visually as well, and didn't take a lot of skill, but there are some other ones out there, so you may want to look into doing that. Google obviously did a lot about their software side of things as well, and they also unveiled the Pixel 3a and 3a XL. I don't really like the names at all, but these rumours were already around for a couple of weeks before the event as well, so those panned out to be true. I did do a sort of a live blog for a little while on there. However, commitments with family meant that I couldn't do the whole thing, so thank you for those who joined me on that one. But we do have some articles on our website for you to check out if you want to see what Google actually announced there as well, with some dates and some prices of their products. Today's sponsor is by a company called Outlets Be Gone. Have you ever been in a situation where your phone is near empty and there are no outlets in sight? Well, look no further. Outlets Be Gone has one of the best looking wireless and portable chargers on the market. And for a limited time, when you buy a portable wireless charger, you automatically get 15% off any accessory. So make sure you hurry on over to outletsbegone.com to grab a portable wireless charger. And if your device doesn't support wireless charging, then they also offer wireless charger receivers, and you get 15% off accessories when you purchase one of these as well. So thanks to Outlets Be Gone for today's sponsor. So staying on the Google Home Hub theme, I've actually just posted an article about why I wish Apple would actually make a Home Hub device. Basically, I go in and talk about what I actually want to see from Apple, and basically it's going to be along the similar sort of lines of the Home Hub, but basically with the Apple flair and Johnny Ive, Teams, Touch, etc, etc. So make sure you go to our website, geekscorner.co.uk, and there we could actually take a deep dive into our article and see what we're actually talking about there. But that's something that I've been actually wanting for some time, actually before the Home Hub came out, after I saw some smart home products a few years back on YouTube, and I've had some idea brewing in my head for what I kind of want, and the Home Hub kind of gives that what I want but doesn't fulfill all the needs. So definitely take a look at our article there as well. Moving on, WWDC 19 is just a few weeks away now before we see Apple unveil iOS 13, watchOS 6, and obviously the Mac OS, etc, etc. And obviously we're getting to see more and more rumours leak out now as well. We've seen a lot of things posted online by proper leakers and YouTubers, and even news article sites now are publishing as well. It's really interesting to see what's going on. We've also talked about what we'd like to see for the iPad and iOS 13 and how that could possibly replace my MacBook. I've actually also done an unboxing yesterday on our YouTube channel with the Logitech Keys to Go, so make sure you check that out as well. I will put a link in the description below where you can take a look at that, and that's hopefully another step towards replacing my MacBook. And then I'm going to do a full-on review in a few weeks of how I found that as well, and if that's any closer to the dream of just having a portable iPad and keyboard as my main workflow as well. But that's it for today, guys. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you on the next one.